What is going on, guys? My name is Onyx and welcome back to my channel, and today I have got another tutorial for you. It is an updated version of an iron farm because the last one stopped working properly. It still works, but it is very inefficient and is very sort of buggy, so I decided to come up with this other one. The base design of it is from Wattles, so go check him out. The design is really good. The design I got here, I can't remember the guy that I got it from, but it is a really, really good design and I actually really like it. It is extremely efficient. The reason it's not working right now is because I've got it on peaceful so that no slimes are spawning while I build it. But once it is built, I will give it a quick test to show you guys how it works. But let's get straight into the build. This is everything you need. It is a pretty cheap to make farm. You don't need iron blocks. It's just a building block because it's easy to see the borders of where it is, so you can know how many to place if you don't listen for some reason. So you need building blocks. You need glass. You don't have to use glass. It is optional. You can see up here it's using glass to encase the villagers and zombie. You need beds, you need fences, preferably the netherwood ones, so the warped ones or whatever the other ones are called, I can't remember. You need hoppers, chests, slabs. Also, you'll need villagers and zombies, water, anvil to name your name tag, a torch, and also lava buckets. So let's get straight into the build. Alright, first off we want to make where the iron golems will fall and then eventually meet their death. So start off with a ring just like this. So it'll be 3 by 3. And then from this come out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do that on every side. And then break the blocks that you used except for the 10th one. So you just have one block left out the side like that. And then place 2 blocks either side of that one. So that will become the middle block. Just like this. And then come to the corner of any of them, this doesn't matter, and go out 3, then 2, and then 1. And then 2 and 3, and do that on every side. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and then 3. So it's 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we got it like that, and then just build the wall up one higher. Alright, now we want to grab our water. Also, you can get rid of these blocks in the middle and just dig that down one more. Actually, before we do that, we'll grab our fence, come to the middle, place a block there, crouch on the side, come to the other side, place it there, and so it's all the way around, and then you can open and break them temporary blocks. Don't break the one that's meant to be there. So then it's like that. Now you want to place in your water. You've got to do it exactly how I do it, otherwise it will not work. So you've got to go across the 5, across the 3, and both sides of this one block in the middle. Do that on every side. So on the 3, on the 5, on the 3, and on either side of the 1. So 3, 5, 3, and then either side of the 1. And then just continue that all the way around. So then it is like that, because if you do it all the way on here, the whole thing will just fill up as a source block and then your farm won't work. So now we will do a killing chamber. So come here, dig down 2 blocks, and then go another 2. And actually we'll go one more deeper. Place in your chest. I'll just do 1 just for now. and then place your hoppers into it, so make sure they're all ending up in that chest so you're not losing any. And then at your head height, place down signs so it is covering every block, just like that. So you need that many signs, and then place in one lava bucket. It can be anywhere and it'll fill up this area, just like that. Apparently it doesn't fill up there, so just chuck another one in the other side, that doesn't matter. And then you won't need them anymore, so you can get rid of them. Now what you want to do is grab your building block, come to this middle block here, and then you want to build up 20. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Break all of these blocks, they're just temporary blocks. Grab your glass, your bed, villagers and zombies, name tags, slabs, and water. And then from here, come out 1 glass, all of them. 3 out from that. Place in your beds, just like that for the villagers. Make sure that the pillow is facing away, or the outside of it, because that's where it needs to be. Also put a glass block there, and then build this up 3 blocks. Come here, build this around, build the glass around where the villager will be housed, and also build that up 2 more high so that the villager will not escape. Alright, now you can come in and grab your water, chuck it down there. And I forgot I'll have to do that. Put it on easy. Get the zombie in there, get your name tag on it. Now, it's not as easy as just spawning in, unless you want to cheat and do that, which you may as well just cheat yourself some iron. I'd recommend not doing that if you're doing probably using minecarts. You can also chuck a torch in here. You don't have to, but 1 more, and then come out 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do that on every side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then fill this in to where it is of like a diamond sort of shape. So like that there. So it should look like that, so it's that sort of shape. Come to the middle block, you should be able to see where it is. That's the middle block for me. Place a temporary block, a slab, break that, place a water bucket, and you will see it will fill to the outside there. Now this is the first layer done. Now what you're going to want to do is build up another 20 blocks and do it again. So you can see there, it is completely redone 20 blocks up and then 20 blocks again. So you want to do that 2 more times. Then once you've done that, the farm will be complete. So go ahead and do that. And I will also just now show you how much you will get in, let's say, 10 minutes of the farm running. Alright, so 10 minutes is up. Let's see how much we got. Now that is quite a lot of iron for just 10 minutes. A stack and 23 in just 10 minutes. Imagine you AFK for 2-3 hours. You're going to have enough iron for whatever you need the iron for. So this design is extremely efficient. Will get you tons and tons of iron, more than you'll probably ever need. So yeah, that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like down below. Also, if you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out and it shows that you enjoy my videos. Also, check out my last video, which it was Hardcore Episode 2. Also, if you haven't seen Episode 1, make sure you do that as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.